outside.
Good night, peeps!
Good night.
Hey people, we're here na sa Pancake House. Dito na kami.
Hey guys, on the way na kami sa LU. Mababang biyahe to.
When they bury me inside the dirt and I become one with earth, I want you to be a man on your own. Oh, and my breath got light and my throat got tight and I couldn't seem to say a word.
Shit. May break po. LU. Good dude. Rick.
Chi! Hindi ka ulit. Ay, tsaka si Tigers! Tigers! Oh, ako pa, baka sabihin niya.
Love never wasted.
Tama na, yan ingay sa matapon lang din.
So good in the past. Oh,
Hi guys! Mag-good night ka muna. Layo.
Night vlog.
Good night! Hi guys! Hindi ka
Pakita ka!
Good night.
Good night, peeps!
Good night! Hindi ka lang ako. Hindi ka ako pang pinag-inig ako. Ako sa box ko. Nahabol yung pinag ko gabi.
I wake up slow, with the curtain half closed. Light on the floor, like it found me first. Your shirt on a chair, still folded from last night. The room holds still, while the day turns gold. I reach for my cup, feel the warmth in my hand. No need to rush, I can stay.
Hey people, it's day 2 here in LU. So today is Saturday. Kanina nag-jogging ako. Right after I jog, bumili lang ako ng breakfast for us. And then, yun lang, quick breakfast. Natulog lang yung iba. Ewan ko nung ginawa, parang wala. But yun, yeah, lasing pala yun. Kaya ganon. And now, aalis pala kami. Hindi pa namin alam sa kami pupunta. We don't know yet. So, sasama namin kayo doon, of course. Actually, itong intro na to is for yesterday kasi hindi kami nakapag-intro. We're here for 3 days. Starting March 13 hanggang Sunday. So, enjoy lang namin tong vacation namin. This is just a quick trip namin nila Ashi. Siya yung nag-video and then Taigas na nasa sasakyan right now. So, that's all. Let's enjoy LU! Hey guys, we're here sa Chicks and Hay. This is our lunch. Say hi.
Hi. Hi people. Hi.
People, yeah. People, nakita niyo ba siya? Nakain na siya. Parang masarap yung sisi, no? Sinigang sa miso ko.
So ikaw, Jer.
Feel the rhythm, let it flow in the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low. Island vibes, let your troubles go.
Good morning, people. So this is our last day. Bilis. Super bilis lang. And actually, kagabi, nakatambay lang kami. Nag-set up kami din sa shore. And chill for like 1 hour. It's kinda sad for me. But then, it's the reality of life. Kanina pa naman ako gising, but then medyo I just wanted to chill. And then later tatakbo ako. Kailangan ko lang warm up. Ayun, I really love this place actually. It gives me peacefulness. The vibe, of course. That's why we chose this. Wala, I'm just... My mood since day one was, alam mo yun, chill lang. At times, yes, I'm smiling and laughing, yet there's something within na hindi ko siya ma-explain. Pero yun lang naman. Still, I wanted to still spread good vibes, joy, to be an inspiration to others. But sometimes it's not always the same. Every day is different. Jogging tayo. On the way na kami now. Searching kami ng restaurant for breakfast. Nakailang ikot na kami dito sa Ristondo. Wala pa rin kaming mahanap. But hindi pa naman kami masyadong totally gutom kasi medyo kumain tayo kagabi, diba? Yun, so medyo heavy rin siya. So, papakilala ko muna kayo sa gang. Ang aking mga gang shit. City Gang. Maglalagay ako doon ng effects. Tapos flow G tayo. Tapos meron pa akong isa, si Nakshit.
Naksigang.
Si Nakshigang.
Ako naman si Ashi.
Kala mo Pokemon? Pokemon siya, Nakakatawa yung merong
Dinab na
people, nandito lang kami sa labas. Ganda ng araw, my God. Well, technically hapon na. So, hindi na to super healthy at our skin. I love it. Super ganda ng araw. Pauwi na rin kami in a bit. In a few hours, we will leave na and go back to Manila.
So yeah. Nice him sa LU. Wait kuya, hello po.
Hey, what up? We're here sa Eliseos. We're just grabbing a quick dinner. Actually, lunch to. Pero dahil 5 p.m. na kasi puro tulog sila. Pakita ko sino yon, puro tulog. Yan. Oh, yung isa, ayan. Tulog ka din kanina. Ang haba ng tulog mo. Dapat pupunta kaming Luis. Kaso nga lang, sabi ko nga kahapon, hanggang 5 p.m. lang. Nag-heads up ako kahapon eh.
Oh, okay.
Diba? Dito kami ngayon sa Eliseos. Kaya lang kami and then uwi na. Si Tygas uwi, babalik namin siya sa kanyang hometown which is the land of ano yan?
The land of dawn.
Bulacan. And this is our last stop for this vlog. We say goodbye to our LU trip. So we're yeah.
Let's go. New wave on the track, it's a vibe check. Yeah. On my day ones, they got my back. Facts. Why they watching my moves? Curious. Cause I never can lose, it's obvious. How much I made a stack. Think I'm gonna stop, no cap. Thinking this.
And again, right after this, yung ride namin is accumulated by 2 hours, I guess.
Yes.
Para maihabol si Kuya Carlos sa kanyang
Yes, of course. Sila lang naman yung magka-car. Ako, baga-abang na ako ng sleeper. Yung sleeping bus. Yung sleeper. Basta yun. Gusto ko kasi makatulog. Ayoko ng yung hindi naglalak. Yan, kasi baka manakawan ako eh.
Tulog naman yun,
Ha?
Tulog talaga.
Yes.
Sleeping beauty ka dun.
Yes. Kaso nga lang hanggang kubaw lang.
Nakiram kasi hanggang kubaw. Please.